Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to write a review in Sephora. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Sephora account, which of course I have done right here. Now Sephora is a French multinational retailer of personal care and beauty products with nearly 340 brands, along with its own private label Sephora collection, and includes beauty products such as cosmetics, skincare, fragrance, nail color, beauty tools, body lotions, and hair care. So now that we know a bit of what Sephora is about, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to write a review in Sephora. Now for you to write a review, you have to select a product that you want to buy. Let's say I'm heading over to makeup. I'm just going to click on that makeup tab at the top corner of the screen. Okay, that's loading up. All right, so once you click on makeup, it's going to give you an extended menu where you can select any of the makeup products of your choice. So here we go. From this window, you're going to have to select the product that you want to write a review for. So let's say this is this Ela Super Serum Skin. I'm just going to have to click on that. So just clicked on the product. It's going to take me to the product details window. All right, so from this window, we're going to have to scroll all the way down till you find the review category. So I'm just going all the way down. Okay, so this product, okay, so ratings and reviews. So you have this write a review option. So go ahead and click on this hyperlink that says write a review. So you have this banner that says to use this feature, you need to be Beauty Insider community member. So go ahead and add your nickname if you want to. Let's say Amy. Just type that in. And then after that, just go ahead and click on join and continue. Okay, it says, okay, 4 to, all right. It has to be between 4 to 15 characters. So let's go with that. Click on join and continue. Loading right up. So you'll be prompted to sign in again. So I'm just going to click on the sign in button. All right, so that's going to take you to this window where you have the products available again. and click on next. So you have this rate and review. So you can now rate this product, right? So you can rate it either 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, 5 star. Then in here where you have this write your review communication box, go ahead and type in your review. Just say whatever thing you want to say here. If you have a headline, please input your headline. If you have a photo, add a photo here. And would you recommend this product? You can say yes or no. Then I received something in exchange for this post. You can check this box. Or I'm a Sephora employee. You can check this box as well. Then yes, I agree to the terms of use. Check this box and click on next. So once you click on next, that's going to be it. Your review will be published. So this is pretty much how you can write a review in Sephora. You can go by this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.